what the fuck?
Oh my God. I get frustrated at the beginning of the races. My car just stopped moving forward. It's interesting.
All right.
Wow. Something's definitely fucked up. Look at sensor
All
wire.
right, as they go through the line the first time. Jaws, followed by Matt, Christopher, Kevin.
After 1 minute, the top drivers are Mike Scherf in first place with a 17 lap 5:16.7 pace, followed by Big Matt in second place with a 16 lap 5:15 pace, followed by Christopher in third place with a 16 lap 5:11.2 pace, followed by Kevin Kline in fourth place with a 16 lap 5:14.6 pace.
Oh, here we go.
Now we got Kevin in it.
Jaws is naked, trying to join Rich Knox, the nudist colony. Or that was his plan. He overgeared it and needs that extra cooling. 1, 2, and 3 all in the same section. Who's it going to be? But Christopher's catching up in the 4th spot. Fastest lap of the race is by Kevin at a 17.7. Matt goes for a tumble. There's a run. Oh, everything has changed. It shows Matt in the lead, followed by Christopher, Jaws, and
top
Kevin.
drivers are Big Matt in first place with a 16 lap 5:07.4 pace.
Smooth
Followed
as
by
fast
Christopher Fake in
racers,
second
smooth as
place with a
fast.
16 lap 5:07.7 pace. Followed by Mike Scherf in third place with a 16 lap 5:11.3 pace.
Jaws
Followed by
back to the
Kevin
second
Kline in
spot.
fourth place with a
2.5
16 lap
seconds behind, but it's a
5:13.3
battle,
pace.
Christopher and Kevin in 3 and 4. No give and take. Matt's opening up a little bit of a gap, keeping it smooth.
Come on.
Jaws 2.7 seconds behind. Fastest lap is still Kevin, 17.730. Just over 2 minutes left. Jaws knocked off a half second from Matt on that lap alone.
After 3 minutes,
Squeeze
the
the
top
trigger,
drivers
don't
are Big
yank
Matt in
it.
first place with a 16 lap 5:01.9 pace, followed by Mike Scherf in second place with a 16 lap 5:06.1
1 minute,
pace,
45
followed by
seconds.
Christopher
Deficit's only
Fake
2
in third
seconds
place with a
back to
16 lap
Christopher.
5:10.7 pace, followed by Kevin Kline
5
in
seconds
fourth place
between
with a
1, 2,
16
3,
lap
and 4.
5:14.3 pace.
It's going to be who can keep it clean to the end. Jaws has knocked off another second, only 1 second behind. Matt's getting ready to go into traffic. Noah, that's your leader. Thank you, Noah. Perfect driving. But number 2 is on Matt's tail. Who's it going to be? I know these two love to battle each other. Bobble for the second spot. Let's Matt open up a 2-second gap again. With just over 1 minute left. Fastest lap, Kevin knocked his down to a 17.2. Fastest guy on the track is in the 3rd spot. Only 4 seconds behind the
1 minute
leader.
minutes. The top drivers are Big Matt in first place
Watch
with
the
a
back
16
double,
lap
watch the back double.
5:03 pace, followed
Allen
by
gets
Mike
house
Scherf
being
in
pushed.
second place with a
But he's
16
on
lap
wheels. Christopher goes for
5:44
a double
pace,
in the center.
followed by Kevin
Ryan
Kline
makes
in
the run
third
for it.
place
You
with a
guys have
16
35
lap
seconds
right on me.
5:07.7 pace.
1 and 2 coming down the back, over the back double, over the front table, another bobble by Jaws. Little gap, but he makes a better inside turn over the front double. Through the crossover, a little sliding from both drivers. Chicane clean. Hip jump clean. Rear table. That opens a little gap. 1 and 2, Jaws almost over jumped that, onto the pavement. Less than a second gap between 1 and 2 with 10 seconds left.
10,
We're gonna have another lap.
Yo! Oh, don't make mistakes, Matt.
Come on.
They get on the track before them. Oh, look at that! fourth.
Sir David Dunn. Colin Dieter Dunn.
Kevin ends up third. Christopher, when he crosses the line, is fourth.
Christopher Fate Dunn.
Yeah.
All drivers
Incredible
finished.
race by 1 and 2. Action packed.
You're all over me.